Hello, this is your host Priyanka, and you're watching Star Kannada. Today, I'm in conversation with a very special, what should I say, a multi-talented girl, an Indian daughter, who's a Dehradun girl, Dehradun Wali, North Indian girl. I'm proud to say that because I'm born and raised in Delhi. Yeah, she's a model. She's an Indian actress making her mark in South India, which is a very proud thing for any North Indian girl. So that's none other than Neha.
Thank you so much. You were so good. Priyanka, you were seriously too good. I can understand. I think she's too much in love with North India. I can understand. Being a Delhiite, she's a Delhiite and I'm from Dehradun. But yes, I must say South India has given me a lot of love, lot of respect, and they have given me my life. See, yes, I am basically from Dehradun, as everybody know, for your info also. But when I came in over here, I started my career from South. So I owe a lot to South. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷಾ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಮಿಳ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಐ ನೋ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ so that was the situation but yes it was my interest that I learned it and I realized one thing whichever culture wherever you go if you adapt the culture people get connected with you very quick and that's how I think I'm able to have a conversation with anybody wherever I go because of the language I know and I'm very very thankful to each and everybody ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏನೋ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್
Yes, Neha. Neha, today on the occasion of 15th anniversary of Imperial College, Maram sir has introduced a new concept of Indian overseas. What do you want to say about that?
See, I know Mr. Maram from a very long time. Like, I've been a part of all the events and all their programs they come up with. Like, he's also a part of Lead India Foundation, and I am an ambassador for them. So he's someone like who comes up with a lot of good ideas, lot of good new programs, and especially his entire background is education. And today, when he has come up with something like that, study abroad and live abroad, which is again a very good concept because it might help a lot of students out there who have a dream to go abroad and study there and live there, find a proper job there. And the best part over here, okay. Fine. So the concept of this concept is really very good. I was just asking him. I said, how about the students will be very sure that once they go there, everything will be fine. Everything will be means nothing to be. They are not cheated and all that. He said, Nehaji, nothing to do like that. It's going to be like. These students are not paying us directly, they'll be paying to the universities over there. So they are well assured that they are not getting cheated anywhere. So like these kind of concept coming up with the multiple opportunities for these students is very good. And I want to wish him all the very best and I'm very, very proud of him because he is an amazing human being and he is an amazing, you can say he's got an amazing brain, very creative brain. And yes, I'm wishing him all the very best.
Thank you so much for saying that. And थोड़ा हिंदी में हो जाए, है ना?
हाँ चलो हमारी प्रियंका को हिंदी सुननी है क्योंकि प्रियंका दिल्ली से है मैं देहरादून से हूँ ये ज़रूर कहते ना होता ही है वो it's like that state connection language connection
From the place of hills Dehradun it's like beautiful
exactly.
No, I'm really proud of you Neha because you're making your mark in South India. I'm a South Indian. I'm an Andhraite born and raised in Delhi but seeing somebody coming from North and making a mark in South, that's totally hats off. Thank you so much.
I am honored. I'm humbled. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. And I was just observing you when you're taking others interview. I was like, wow, this girl is really very good because you've got very good voice modulation and you know what you're doing and you're very perfect in it. I wish you all the very best. Let God bless
you so much.
And thank you everyone. Take care and stay safe. Wear mask. Right now I'm in the interview, that's why I'm not wearing. Wear mask, sanitize your hands and maintain the distance. And slowly things are opening up. So it doesn't mean that Corona is gone. Corona is still there, our best friend and the best enemy. Okay, all the very best, Star Kannada.
Thank you so much, Neha.